Yeah. It's time to get rid of this mess. Oh man, that looks fire. Woo! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you guys have seen in the previous videos, we actually went ahead and did the whole suspension on the Chevy Impala. We actually went ahead and changed the brakes as well. Then we went ahead and tore off the bumper, got that ready for the new one. So in today's video, we're actually going to hope to put the new bumper on, show you guys the finished result, the new grille, just get the front end kind of buttoned up, kind of go from there. I will let you know it's about 20 degrees outside today, so we're all bundled up. Can't fit the Impala in the garage, guys. I got too much junk and it's too long, so we can't do it in here, especially to get good film for you guys. So we're actually going to bundle up, go out here and work in the snow in the 20 degrees and see how long I can take it and hopefully get this thing done. So let's go ahead, jump right into it. Guys, it's getting really cold, really late. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's actually the next day here, and we're going to go ahead and wrap up this front end. So we're actually just going to go ahead and shore up this bumper, put a few more plastic rivets in the bottom, finish that up. Then we're actually going to go ahead and put in the headlights on each side, just get that finished, couple plastic pieces on top, and we'll be done with the front. And then we're actually going to go ahead and take care of the driver's and passenger side mirrors. So stay tuned, guys. We'll go ahead and walk through that right now. Let's get to it. Check this out, guys. I'm excited. Got the new bumper on, all the plastics in place, grill, headlights. Ooh. Boy, does that look better, huh? See that, guys? A little bit of DIY. Didn't even have to get out the paint gun. Look what we did. Wow, that looks good. Okay. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump on to the passenger side mirror. Side mirror, but we're gonna go ahead today and get that finished up, and you can probably see we're in the midst of a snowstorm here moving across the East Coast. But guys, that ain't stopping us here at MattDIY. We got to get things done, get out and do it ourselves. So let's go ahead and jump into this driver's side mirror.
Cause
All right, guys, let's do a quick look here. So we got the driver's side mirror coming around to the bumper, and let's see if I can get some of this out of the way. But there we go. You can sort of see the grill there. Front bumper's done. Looks good. And then we got passenger side mirror. So front end's done on this one, guys. We're gonna take her to get tires and alignment done here this week, and in the next video you guys will probably see, we'll probably be detailing this beast, and that's going to be a project on itself. But we're gonna have to wait till it gets a little bit warmer, because I'm not going to be out here in these conditions washing and waxing and cleaning out the interior of this thing. So stay tuned for that. But for right now, yeah, front end's complete. Alrighty, guys, thanks for tuning in as always. Hope you enjoyed it. Got that front bumper done on the mirrors. Came out really good. Looks really nice. Big improvement on the car. You know, it just wasn't taken care of before, and now we got it back together. Looks really nice. So excited about that. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, yeah, what are you doing? Go down below, hit that subscribe button. I upload a video every week. If you want to stay tuned to what's going on, be sure to do that for me. Also, like this video, comment down below your thoughts. Anything you'd like to say or need help with, be sure to drop those down below. As always, be sure to follow me over on Facebook and Instagram at MattDIY1, where you get the inside scoop a little bit before YouTube. And with that, guys, don't forget, be sure to always get out and do it yourself.